Hi everyone and happy Thanksgiving. We are on the way to Walmart right now because what I want to do in today's video is purchase as much turkey as I can. What I'm thinking actually I'm going to do is purchase turkey slices, and then I'm going to make a ton of sandwiches, and what we're going to do is go deliver those to the homeless. Some chips.
That's Zach.
Okay, on to the next spot. Let's see. We're gonna pick up a ton of bread. I'm not sure how much to get, but we're gonna get them the good stuff. Some Artisano bakery bread. This stuff is amazing. So they're gonna be eating good today. We'll just get all of them. No idea how much we need. All right, let's go find some turkey and chicken. All right, we're gonna pick up some turkey, some chicken breast, some ham, some smoked turkey breast. We'll just get all kinds of stuff. Let's see what else we got. Rotisserie seasoned chicken breast. All right, that should be good. All right, gonna pick up some water and stuff like that as well. 8-pack. Get 2 of them. If we need to come back, we can. It's just we're limited on how much we can fit. We're limited on how much we can fit in the Camaro, so that's why we're gonna start with this, and if we need to come back, we can come back. All right, gonna grab some of these. Kobe, you gotta catch the action, Kobe. Do one more. Okay.
Insert cash or select payment type.
You too. All right, gonna get loaded up in the car, head home, make these sandwiches, and then go deliver them. So we're headed to Daytona now. I'm not exactly sure where to go. I'm just gonna go down Main Street. I've always seen, you know, a good amount of homeless folks over there. So gonna cruise down Main Street and hand out sandwiches. Now, just full transparency, I'm purchasing all of this out of my own money. I'm not receiving funding from anyone, but I do wanna do this at a larger scale come Christmas time, so in about a month's time. And I'd love for you all to get involved. I'm new to YouTube, so I can't tell you exactly how it works, but I know that if you hit the like button, that's gonna help YouTube promote the video. And for all the ad revenue that comes in from this video, I'm gonna use that during Christmas time, and we're gonna do this again. And if you have any ideas of what food or snacks or anything like that that you think should be done, leave a comment, and that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna show you guys the ad revenue as it comes close time to make that video, so you can see exactly what the video made from a monetization standpoint. So 100% of the proceeds from this video are gonna go out hit the like button, share this with your friends. It doesn't cost you anything. I'm not asking you all for any of your money, but it's the holiday season and there's plenty of people out there that are not as fortunate as you. How's it going? Happy Thanksgiving. I made a bunch of sandwiches and stuff if you guys are hungry.
Turkey or chicken, Mom?
Here's turkey. Chicken is.
No.
Chicken. Here you go. Chicken. Anybody else? Yep. Yep, I got more. You want chicken or turkey?
Either or.
All right.
Either or.
We got some
I'm
chips.
Nicole.
We got some chips too.
That's
You guys
Zach.
want some chips?
That's Zach.
You want to help me with this water, brother? Grab one of those cases.
I know she don't want pie.
You want chicken or turkey?
I'll go behind you if I got the chicken.
Country.
How you doing? My
Hi.
name's Chad.
I'm Nicole. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You want to grab this water? Need a sandwich?
Thank you.
You got it. Cool. All right, I'm gonna leave these with you. You guys hand them out to anyone that wants them, okay?
All right.
All right, man. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, thank you.
Anybody need sandwiches? Turkey and cheese?
Thank you.
Absolutely. Happy Thanksgiving.
I like this pie, y'all.
Thank you. Thank you. Absolutely. Yeah. Absolutely. You need a sandwich? Yeah. Sandwich, anybody? You want a sandwich?
Happy Thanksgiving. I like your car.
Happy Thanksgiving. Here you go, brother. Yeah,
You're
man.
a race car driver?
Yeah.
You're a race car driver? Or which one?
Yeah. I drift in Orlando mainly. Let me get out of these people's way, though.
We're gonna be a race car driver.
Take one, yeah.
You want a sandwich?
Nice car.
Thank you.
This is the first time I ever met a race car driver dog.
All right, I better get out of their way. Happy Thanksgiving. All right. Okay, on to the next spot. Looks safe. I might hit a curb. I need to pull over and check that.
Yeah, that was a curb.
All right, we will scope this out real quick.
Oh, we're fine.
All right, so inspected the damage. Really wasn't bad at all. You know, I wanted to go wide and use all the road. I just may have misjudged it by millimeters. Bill, if you're watching this, He's the owner of Stage Wheels. I might need just one more, please. But we're gonna go to the next spot, hand out some more food. I think we have one bag left, so not much more food to hand out. And then we're ready to rock and roll. How many you want? 3, 4?
Just 3.
3? All right. Happy Thanksgiving, man. Take care. Excuse me, are you hungry? Are you hungry? I'm gonna run up to him real quick. Here you go, are you hungry? Just in time. All right, so we didn't do a great job at filming because once we got there, we were more hands-on, and Nicole, instead of filming, she was helping, handing out sandwiches and stuff. So it was just a really cool experience. And again, to be able to kind of add value to them and provide a smile even to their face on Thanksgiving was definitely worth it. I may have got too spicy on the way to one of the locations, but the wheel is still holding, the alignment seems to be fine. So all in all, it was a great day. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I appreciate all of you watching. I appreciate every one of you that thumbs this video up. And if you like this video, consider subscribing while you're here. That's it for this one. We'll freaking see you later. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Stay safe out there.